What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today I'm going to show you how I made money trading SPY put options and how you could too. Check it out. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this video here today. I'm going to show you the setup that I traded on the SPY for some SPY put options. It was a really good trade. It was a really clean setup. And these are setups that you could use as early as tomorrow or maybe even later this afternoon, depending when this video comes out today. Now, we're going to shoot this recap here on the day, and then we're going to jump into a giveaway that we're doing in the Discord. Today, well, every day this week, if you're not familiar, we're going to be doing a giveaway in the Discord stream every single day. We're going to do multiple giveaways on Wednesday and Thursday. And tomorrow, we're going to do multiple giveaways as well. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to be giving away a cool tablet. You know, multiple screens, and they don't have big computer towers. They'll be trading on a laptop. Maybe you're trading on a laptop, and then it's hard for you to be in the room, right? Because you're probably running the room on your phone, which, since we use Discord, is amazing on the phone. However, since we're giving away a tablet, you can use a tablet to run the room. And we're going to be giving away more tablets this week. Now, let's go ahead. And before we move any further, remember to check out the link to join the Discord in the chat, in the description and in the comment section. Also, remember, there's a coupon code right now, 25% off trade ideas. It's a banger of a deal. And you have that in the description and comment section as well. Let's go ahead and jump into the charts. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump into these charts here, and let's take a look at what's going on. Now, today, the SPY had two very nice, clean setups. I'm going to show you first my setup when I went after the SPY, okay? And let me scroll back here so we can get to exactly where I was right here. Right here, we had the SPY open up. Well, you know what? Let's scroll back a little bit more. So right here, we had the SPY open up and just try to like drift its way a little bit higher here, made new highs and everything on the day. And I was concerned this morning that, you know, we gapped down too big and it was going to be too difficult, and I was going to be extra patient. And that I was, because normally I would have probably gone after the SPY in either one of these two candles right here. And I didn't. I waited a little bit, and I went off and started my SPY position right in front of this VWAP rejection. And we immediately dropped. As soon as we dropped, I put out an order to sell some. So I was in the SPY put option, 452 strike, today's expiration, stop if SPY got back up over VWAP. And I was in from 129 average. First take profit was $1.70. That alone, sorry, first take profit was $1.58. That alone was a banger. And then we continued to drop. And I put out another order on the ask on this candle here, and got a fill at 170. Then we started to hold that area a little bit, and I got not uncomfortable because I had already taken the bulk of my position off at $1.70. So I wasn't uncomfortable in the position, but I was like, you know what, let me book a little bit more profit here because we could easily turn around. So I took a little bit more off at 161, okay? And then we started to get this candle. We started to get this candle right here. When we got that candle right here, I went ahead and stopped out the rest. Right there in front of VWAP at $1.32. My average on the remainders were $1.32. So it worked out to a break even on the last remainder. And that last remainder was, I want to say like 10, 20% of my position. I want to say 20% of my position, of my initial position or so. And I took it off at break even. So no profit made really on that last one. It was basically a break even trade. There was no loss, it was a slight little profit, you know. But that's it. That was my trade. Not a huge trade. Today's a base hit of a day, but my best take profit was about 32% gain. So I'll take that because it's a nice base hit day. And the reality was that my best take profit was $1.70 on those options, on those put options. And then when we were down here, I'm not sure what we're going off right now, but when we were down here, we were at $1.70 again. We were at $1.70 again, $1.80 and stuff like that. So it was like no big deal. Like, sure, I could have held on to the trade longer, but I would have basically made the same profits. You know, sure, I could have eventually maybe gotten off in front of 190, $1 or $2, because my next takes were going to be 190 and 210. I had those orders pre-written. I always pre-write my orders to put them out on the ask. As a matter of fact, 158 was a market order, 170 was an ask order, 161 was an ask order, and 132 was a market order. Those are my exits. So I probably could have gotten off a little bit better there, but all in all, the bulk of the move on the option itself, I think I got it. So I'm happy with the trade. I traded the plan. The plan was to see if we can get down here to the 150 area where this 100-day moving average is at. And we've done that already. At this point, but the options themselves haven't traded that much further away from my last take profit. So I'm not too upset about missing the bulk of the move. Well, not the bulk, but a good chunk of the move on the SPY. Because the reality is the options themselves and their price action, I took the bulk of that move. So I'm happy with that. I would have liked to have traded Tesla. This was another trade we eyed. Here it is, actually. Here's the analysis. We eyed this for a bear flag formation, and that would have been a really nice trade. I would have liked to have traded that one. And then the best trade, apart from everything else that we eyed, but I was watching to re-enter the SPY, and I missed both of them, was SOPA for this VWAP 38.2 Fibonacci level hold. That was an awesome one, and I think some people in the chat here in the Discord, you guys nailed it. I think some members nailed it because we talked about it on the mic, but I was also at the same time watching the SPY. And because I was so focused on SOPA and the SPY at the same time, I kind of missed on both. I missed out on this re-entry here on the SPY, which led to another nice, potential move. And I missed on SOPA as well. But, you can't cry over spilled milk. Both trade setups worked out perfectly fine, which was great for mental capital. So far, only the one green trade for me on the day, so I'll take that. Another setup that SOPA gave earlier today was right here. Let me show it to you, and that'll be the last one we go over. Was right here. We pulled up here. We got halted at 780s. I said, guys, watch for this 23.6 fib, 9 AMA area to hold on a pullback. Boy, did it hold right there beautifully. And did it go? Look at that. Come on. That's a thing of beauty right there. So now SOPA really has room to go. Let's see. Next resistance zone will be, my God, $15 zone. So it has a lot of room to go. So we'll see what happens with that one right now, the remainder of the morning. All right, guys. So that's it for me today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video and go live. I go live Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. And I hope to catch you in the Discord.